Do you know what an expert witness reply is in a medical malpractice case in the state of New York? You don't? Would you like to learn? Come join me. I'll explain it. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. An expert witness reply means that we have to notify the defense of whatever experts we have retained to testify at trial. Likewise, they have to do the same for us. So once we hire a medical expert to come in and testify, I now have to provide the defense with written notice, with a written document, which is called a 3101D reply. It refers to the civil practice law and rules in New York, and the 3101D refers to the specific section that I'm talking about. For our purposes, it's known as an expert witness reply. And within that reply, I have to provide the doctor's credentials. I have to provide where they went to medical school, where they did their postgraduate training, whether or not they're licensed to practice in the state of New York, and whether they are board certified in a particular field of medicine. I have to give my adversaries sufficient information to let them know what exactly my expert's going to be talking about when they come in to testify at trial. And importantly, I have to tell them what basis the doctor will be able to reach those opinions and conclusions. And basically what we tell them is the doctor has reached those conclusions based upon the medical records in the case, based upon the testimony, the pretrial testimony that has been given, as well as testimony that will be given at the time of trial. Now, one of the interesting things you may not know is that in New York we are not required to divulge the names of our medical experts in a malpractice case. Now, it seems kind of odd in today's day and age of computers, right? It's actually very easy to plug in a doctor's credentials, and through search engines and other various programs, we can actually get the name of that particular expert. Once a doctor has been identified, what do we do with that information? We actually go ahead and try and dig up any transcripts the doctor has given in the past, any prior testimony. We want to know whether or not the testimony they've given in the past contradicts what they're going to be talking about in this particular case. An entire investigation is undertaken once we get that expert witness reply. And now we have to dig down further, find out who the expert is, find out whether there's any prior testimony, and try and dig up any personal information on the doctor that may hinder or hurt that doctor's credibility. And that's done on both sides. So why do I even tell you about this? I tell you about this because chances are you're watching this, you have questions or concerns about your particular matter. And if your matter happened here in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do, if you have legal questions, pick up the phone and call me. This is what I do every single day. I answer legal questions just like yours. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.